In this video, I am sharing with you how to make money in any big city you have in Nigeria if you have a good car. Many people know about what I want to talk about that have good cars or that have the potential to have good cars, but they're not doing the business I want to talk about because I did not say it. And that is why I'm making this video. What I'm saying is not a new business. And the business I'm talking about is Uber or Bolt business or in-drive business or any other name that they are called in the city where you are. In Ilorin, where I reside, the main one that is flourishing is Bolt. Bolt used to do extremely well in Ilorin about 3 years ago or 5 years ago, but all of a sudden, because of the economic downturn, it has also gone down in Ilorin because many people troop into it to do the business, and then the economic went down. Many people cannot afford it again. But in a city like Lagos, in a city like Abuja, in a city like Harcourt, people are still using Bolt and using Uber and using InDrive and many other apps that are available. So you also, if you have a good car, you can get registered with all these companies I've mentioned, and then you just on your app anywhere you are, you're in your room or outside your house or sit down in a busy place, then you can get order and then you take somebody from point A to point B and quietly the person will pay you. And then you can remain at that point B. Another person will order you from point B to point C. And then you get paid. And then you pay a commission to the app company. And then that is how you are going to move and you're going to make your money. I know of people who reside in Ilorin, but because the business is not booming in Ilorin, they moved the business to Lagos. They drive to Lagos during the week, and then they come back to see their family in Ilorin on weekends. Sometimes they stay 2 weeks, and then so they do the business in Lagos. They come to see their family in Ilorin. So that is part of it, mobility of labor. So if you are in a major city in Nigeria, or you are not even in a major city, and you're interested in this business, if you don't know how to go about it, you can drop a comment you can ask in the comment section, and I will, if you have asked me any question in the comment section, you know for sure within 24 hours I'll be there to respond to the question that you ask and make everything plain before you. So I want to say a shout out to Lara Olaoye. She's currently a member on this channel, and the membership means that as I'm making this video like this, I get to mention your name. So that is a way. So Lara Olaoye, I want to thank you, and I want to really appreciate you, and I want to thank you. So if you have not joined my membership on my channel, click the join below. You just pay 1.5 for a month, and then I get to give you a shout out and mention your name like this one. And then at the same time, there are some special videos I've done which only members can access. So try to check them, try to join my membership. And if you have any question for me, let me know. You can make money from driving. Like take for example, I am going towards the airport or going somewhere now, and I'm going alone. So I on the app and I put it that direction that I'm going there. So anybody going that direction will order me. So it's like the person is paying for the fuel that I'm using to go and come back. Yes, 2 days ago I was going somewhere. I took somebody, the person paid 6,500 in Ilorin. Previous day, I took somebody somewhere, I paid 4,000, and I bought fuel of 10,000 that very 2 days ago. So those two money I paid for the fuel. But today again I bought fuel, but I've not carried anyone because I've not gone out like that. So this is how it is. This is how it happens. So, but in the busy cities, people use it as a means of income to pay their rent, pay for the car, pay their children's school fees, and do other things. So if you reside in a big city in Nigeria, Ibadan, and other places, this is a good business for you if you have a good car. So if you have any more question to ask about this, ask in the comment section. Other people that know about it will be there to respond. I also will be there to respond. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.